Hey guys, it's Laurie. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today, we're going to make a Dollar Tree fall pumpkin wreath. These are the colors that I chose, but you can always change them up to match your home decor. To start my project, I'm using one of the 14-inch wire wreath forms that I found at the Dollar Tree. While I was at the Dollar Tree, I also picked up 2 rolls of this pretty rusty orange burlap ribbon. I need to attach my ribbon to the form, so using my glue gun, I flip the form over and I place some hot glue on one of the supports. I then attach the end of the ribbon, and this will be my starting point as I'm going to wrap the ribbon completely around my wreath form. After I wrapped the ribbon around a few times, I then once again added some hot glue to the form to help hold the ribbon in place. I'm adding the ribbon to the form so I have some place to attach all my accents. I'm using this pretty Dollar Tree ribbon, but you can use any ribbon or fabric that you have on hand as long as it covers the wreath form. I almost made it completely around with the one spool of ribbon, but I didn't, so I just cut a piece from the other and then just hot glued it in that little open space. Now that I have it completely covered, I'm going to start attaching on my accents. For the large accents on the wreath, I'm using these really cute pumpkins that I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use 2 of the off-white, 2 orange, and 1 of the squash. I removed all of their tags, and now using my glue gun, I'm going to attach them evenly spaced around the form. I'm adding an accent sign to the middle, so I'm making sure when I glue them that they're not too close to the center. Once I have all 5 pieces attached, I'm then going to add on a pine cone accent. I picked mine up in the town forest near my home, but the Dollar Tree, they sell some flower picks with pine cones on them, so you can always get them there. Then, once again, using my glue gun, I glued a pine cone next to the squash and each of my pumpkins. Once all my pine cones are added, I'm then going to be adding my sign in the center. I wanted to share with you today I'm participating in Sunday Funday, hosted by my dear friends Janny and Dyanne from Deco Easy and my favorite cousins Kay and Trish from Crafting Cousins. They're all truly talented and have amazing channels. I'm going to link those both below along with the playlist for Sunday Funday. I found this really cute farm fresh pumpkins sign stake at the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to remove the top part with the truck, and I'm going to be adding that to the inside of my wreath. When it was detached, I simply added it to the center of the wreath, and then I hot glued it into place. When I was done, to cover the burlap ribbon and to add another layer to my wreath, I'm going to be using some of these fall silk Dollar Tree leaves. I once again used my glue gun, and I had no set pattern. I just started randomly gluing the leaves on here and there, making sure that I added enough to cover most of the burlap ribbon. I continued working my way around the wreath, and I even added some of the leaves in between the pumpkins and the pine cones. With my leaves added on, I'm now going to add on a ribbon accent, and I'm using 3 different ribbons from the Dollar Tree. I'm using the red truck with the pumpkins, the sparkly leaves, and some of the plain burlap. To make the ribbon accents, I measured and cut all 3 of my ribbons at 9 inches. When I was done, I then dovetailed the ends, and it's super easy. All I do is fold the ribbon in half and then cut away on the end at an angle. I did this for all 3 of my ribbons, and when I was done, I stacked them. I had the truck on the bottom, the burlap in the middle, and the leaves on the top. I then folded my ribbons in half to find the center, and using a piece of floral wire, I wrapped it around all 3 of the ribbons, and I pulled it tight and twisted it together. I pulled the ribbons apart, so I had my ribbon accent cluster, and once I was done with this one, I ended up making 4 more. To add the ribbons to the wreath, I cut off the excess wire and I folded over the little end. Then using my glue gun, I lifted up the edge of a leaf and I hot glued my ribbons into place. And once again, I worked my way around the wreath. I cut off the excess wire, folded over the little end, and hot glued the ribbons between the pumpkins and the squash. With my ribbons all in place, I'm now going to add on another pumpkin accent, and I picked up these 2 packs at the Dollar Tree. They're pumpkins attached to clips and they just pop right off, and I'm going to end up using 5 of them. To add them to my wreath, I placed some hot glue in the center of my ribbons, and then I placed a small pumpkin in each. After I have all my small pumpkins hot glued into place, I'm now going to add in some of this really pretty fall grass that I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm using 2 bunches, and I separated all the grass from all the individual stems. When I was done, I had a whole handful of little pieces, and so I just took my glue gun and I started gluing them in between all the little nooks and crannies on the wreath. As I was tucking the grass into all the little spaces, I made sure to use my finger protector because using the hot glue and tucking that in there, it was really easy to get burned. Now that all my grass is in place, I'm going to be adding in some of these berry picks from the Dollar Tree. They had orange and black, so I'm going to be using the orange for this wreath. I pulled them out of the package, and each berry's on a separate wire, so I just kind of pulled them apart and opened them up. I'm using 2 packages, and so I have 6 bunches of berries, and all I'm doing is using my glue gun, and I'm hot gluing them evenly around the outside of my wreath. Now that I have all my berries in place around the wreath, and to finish up, I have a handful of pine cones left over, so just like the berries, I'm going to use my glue gun and kind of evenly space them around the outside of my wreath. And now that my last pine cone has been glued into place, my Dollar Tree fall pumpkin wreath is complete. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed making this wreath. If you're new here, please consider clicking that little red subscribe button below so we can hang out together again soon. And if you're looking for some fun fall projects, be sure to check out my different playlists. I'll have them all linked below. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.